KeepKey Wallet versus Electrum Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are provided in the description. In this video, we'll analyze their features, intended users, and core strengths to help you decide which wallet suits your needs best. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet built for users who prioritize top-notch security and simplicity. It secures private keys offline, protecting your assets from online threats. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, KeepKey integrates seamlessly with Shapeshift, enabling you to trade directly from the device. Its large display and straightforward setup make it ideal for beginners or long-term holders who prefer a minimalist approach. However, it's not suited for active traders or those needing frequent access due to its reliance on USB connectivity and lack of mobile support. Electrum Wallet, on the other hand, is a software wallet specifically tailored for Bitcoin enthusiasts. Known for its lightweight and fast design, Electrum is highly customizable and offers advanced features like multi-signature wallets, hardware wallet integration, and custom transaction fees. It is perfect for tech-savvy users or those who prioritize control over their Bitcoin transactions. However, it doesn't support altcoins, making it unsuitable for users with diverse portfolios. Electrum's interface may also feel complex for beginners compared to KeepKey's simple design. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your priorities. If security and offline storage are your main concerns, and you want a wallet that's easy to use, KeepKey is an excellent choice. But if you're a Bitcoin maximalist looking for advanced features and customization, Electrum is hard to beat. Both wallets are strong contenders in their respective domains, so consider your needs carefully. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why.